If you are doing any type of business online that requires you to have a website, then you need to pay very, very close attention to the next few minutes of this video. Why? Well, because unless you have your website set up a certain way, you are most likely going to be targeted for a major lawsuit that could wind up costing you thousands of dollars, possibly even tens of thousands of dollars. You see, right now there are some very greedy lawyers out there and underhanded individuals who are taking business owners to the cleaners with a bunch of frivolous lawsuits aimed to get those same lawyers a quick payday. It's like the ambulance chasers, but for the internet. You know all about those. Unfortunately, it's costing tons of businesses $50,000 on average to fix the issue. What is the issue I am referring to exactly? Well, it's making sure that you and your clients' websites and digital assets are all ADA compliant. That's the issue. That's right. Internationally, all websites do need to be in compliance with the official website accessibility guidelines. That's the WCAG. And in addition, in the US, all websites need to comply with the Americans and Disability Act. That's ADA.
Ifiok, and in this video, I'm going to give you a full demo of our brand new ADA bundle software. Now, this software helps you optimize your website and your clients' websites to be as compliant as possible. If your website is not ADA compliant right now, you are leaving yourself open for major lawsuits. This is why ADA Bundle is a must-have for every website owner today. And the beautiful thing is that ADA Bundle works in just 3 simple steps, and as such, anyone can use it to achieve maximum results. Step 1. Add your website URL to generate your accessibility profile and compliance pixel. Step 2. Customize your accessibility options. And Step 3. Copy the pixel code, add it to your website, and you are good to go. Let me show you in action. As you can see, this site right here is currently not compliant, okay? Using ADA Bundle, let's fix this website in just a couple of minutes. From my dashboard, I'll click on Widgets. Then click here to add the website URL. I'll just enter the URL right here, tick this checkbox, and then click on Add Website. Okay, nice. My compliance widget and profile has been successfully created. All right, let's go ahead now to customize our accessibility options. To do that, click on Settings. Right here under the Customize tab, you can fully customize your accessibility profile. But note that everything comes properly set up and ready to go by default. Over here, under the General option, you can set up a beautiful accessibility policy statement on your site. This is important and required as one of the compliance requirements, as it informs your site visitors of your level of compliance. From here, we can customize the widget button. Here, you have the Accessibility Mode option. Here, you can set up Epilepsy Safe Mode for your website. This option enables people with epilepsy to use the website safely by eliminating the risk of seizures that result from flashing or blinking animations and risky color combinations. You also have the Cognitive Disability Mode. This mode provides different assistive options to help users with cognitive impairments, such as dyslexia, autism, CVA, and others, to focus on the essential elements of the website more easily. Next is the ADHD-friendly mode, the blindness mode, and a host of other accessibility options, as you can see right here. Next is the Readable Experience option, which gives you accessibility options like text magnifier, highlight links, and a host of others. Here, you can customize the Visual Pleasing Experience option. This gives you accessibility options like contrast, monochrome, saturation, etc. And finally, you have the Easy Orientation Experience Accessibility option. From here, you can customize options like the text-to-speech, virtual keyboard, reading guide, and a host of others. As you can see, ADA Bundle gives you a lot of accessibility options that make your website as compliant as possible. All right, once you are done customizing your accessibility profile, click on Save Widget, and then on Embed Script to grab your unique compliance pixel. So finally, we'll just have to paste this on the website and we're good. So I'll just head over to my website admin area. Take note, this is a WordPress-based site, but ADA Bundle works for any kind of site and on any kind of website builder. So I'll go over to Settings, click on Header and Footer Scripts, paste the code right here, and click on Save. Remember, this is all happening in real time. As you can see, it's super quick and easy. Anyone can do it, and it takes only a few minutes. All right, let's have a second look at the website now. Awesome. I now have a compliance widget that makes my website accessible and compliant. You'll see all the different lawsuits that businesses are being hit with. And with this right here, as you've seen, ADA Bundle can help your businesses get optimized in just a few minutes. Do not sleep on this deal. It has every potential of being the biggest opportunity you'll get this year. So jump in right now. And amazingly, it's going for a low one-time fee. It comes with premium and custom bonuses, video training, and articles, all to guarantee you succeed with it. And on top of that, we're backing up the offer with a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. It just can't get any better than this, period. Act now. I can't wait to see you inside the members area.